Morning! Time check is 10 to 10 and we're about to leave. Ito yung aming hotel, the white one. Aalis kami, magagala today because we got a whole day today. So, gala tayo people. Mr. just put James in the car and let's get in the car. Hindi pala ako nakapag-film earlier sa pag-breakfast namin kasi we're on hurry and then kasi may free breakfast siya. And then I've been talking to my father. Kausap ko si Papa kaya hindi ako napag-vlog kanina pag-breakfast. So, yun ang ating ganap today. Magagala tayo guys kung saan tayo mapadpad. Isama ko kayo. Here's my little man there. Say hello guys. Hi guys. Si Mister yung aming driver na pugi. So, yan, alis na tayo. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Whitby. And dito pa kami sa car. We're waiting, Mr. Kasi kumuha siya ng ticket para sa car part. So, dito na lang kami sa car muna mag-antay kasi malamig. And then, I'm looking forward the view here. Dagat siya, guys. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Ayan siya, oh, di ba? And then, there's a big ship around there. But I'm gonna show you to you later. Pero ayan siya guys, yung mga boat nila dito sa Whitby. Ayan. And then, it's around here. So, I'm really looking forward. Mag-ikot tayo guys. Look at this boat. And can you believe this? It's a restaurant. It's got a restaurant inside. But start opening 12 noon onward. So, it's not yet open because it's only 11 o'clock. But yeah, it looks cool. They call it is it Onlop? Onlop restaurant? I know it's Orlop, sorry. It's there in the top. I'll show you the Orlop restaurant. That one. But it's not open yet. And there's some old boats there. Yan. Medyo malamig dito. And then I don't know what's on the top, that one. You can zoom in. Looks like it's a church. Yeah, I think so. So yan. Maglakad-lakad tayo guys. And let's have a look around. We're going up to that hill guys. It's quite nice here. Nice for a walk. So, akyat tayo dyan. I just remember, sis Mia Sandoval in her vlog here. Hilip tayo guys kung anong kalagayan ng karagatan. Charing! Hold on a minute. It's a bit windy. I'm finding my muff. Yung cover ng ating microphone kasi it's windy. Yung feather na takip ng aking microphone, and I'm gonna show you guys, the sea is a bit rough, it's a bit windy as well, but It's really nice. I'm in the top bit, and then I'm gonna show you around. Here is the view. They are patiently waiting. I see! Somebody's happy. What are you doing? Where are we going now, Daddy? I see! Is it nice? Nice here, isn't it? Yeah? Look at the amazing view, guys, from here in the top. Ang ganda. So we're walking back down and we'll try to get there if we can. Kasi car park permitted kami. We're only paying 2 hours. So ayan yung kanyang pa-view, guys. Look at that. And we're gonna walk around that way up to there, going back to the car park. So good thing is quite sunny, but still cold because the wind, but we'll expect it really. So ayan, lakad tayo. It's quite nice here though. It's really busy here summertime, but the sea is really rough. Kasi ano siya, mahangin. Yung aking anuhan dyan, kasumbriruhan, baka yung seagulls, oh. Nakita ba? I don't think if you see it. Pakita ko sa inyo yung dagat. Grabe, sobrang alon. Yung aking aling maliit, sobrang tuwa. Oh, hello! He's happy. Happy boy. So, ayan yung kadagatan natin, guys. Kadagatan talaga. Yan, pagka-alon-alon. Yung bata o naglalaro. Ang lamig, oy, atay kang taa ka. So ayan, maalon siya, people. Ang lamig ng hangin. Yung aking aling maliit, oh, sobrang excited. You can have that snack when we go to Philippines. You just walk from granddad's house. So ayan yung ating karagatan, maalon. Lakad tayo papunta dyan. Kain tayo, guys. Dito kami sa Hari Fish and Chips. Ano kami? Fish and Chips. Kain tayo. Ayan. I got curry sauce and then fish and chips. Same as Mr. And then tea. Si James, tapos na kumain, nanonood na lang siya ng Peppa Pig. He's happy boy now. Kain tayo. Guys, look what we found. Hey, it's a dancing. You used to like it, sweetie, didn't you? Look at him, oh. Excited. Which one you want? Shall we get the ducky or the monkey? Ang dami nila, guys. Ang mura lang. Nakabili na ako ng fridge magnet for mama. So we're gonna get the duck. You want the duck? Yeah? Got the duck? That's a favorite as well, guys. It's a girly, isn't it? So we'll get the duck then. Pasok tayo dito. Ayan, marami silang ano. Here. Whitby. Oh, there's some boat as well. Ayan, oh, marami silang ano. Souvenirs. I don't know where's the ducky. Oh God, I can't find the ducky. Ang dami nilang ano, souvenirs. Pero wala yung ducky. Hello, no more ducky. Oh, look at this. But I couldn't find the ducky. Wala yung ducky. There's some dragons. My cars din. Wala man yung ducky. Andito banda pero I can't see a duck. Yeah. Ayan yung mga dancing. Telephone box. Papasok tayo guys sa Abbey House Museum. Ito yung paaw kung ano niya sa labas. And then, pasok tayo sa museum. Museum and shop. Guys, tignan nyo yung pen. Look at that. It's a pen. And it's a pen. 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 Writing pen. And there's the old type of feather. Then the old case. Sa ano kami, Abbey House. Look. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, I know. This is, look. You can only see it in the movie, but now, look.
What is it?
Ayaw mag-focus. Ayun. Nag-focus na siya. Yan. It's a glass. The Vikings. Look. The Vikings teacup. Mayroon dito guys. Marami The warriors. Yan. And look at this. Parang ano to siya. Yung ginagawang chopstick. Look. Yung sa mga pare. Back in the old days. Pero ginagamit pa to ng mga pare ngayon eh. Yeah, I know. Look, ang dami nila ba. And then this side, look. Look at this glass. Tapos, ito. Ang dami, Dito pa. May bungo pa, gatay, Nanaunsa. Ayaw kong uminom pa ganito. We got different sorts here. Look. You like the king. This one, shot glass. Ang dami. Here, that's the Whitby Abbey House. Dracula. That's the sword. My sword dito. They got some t-shirt, Daddy. May mga t-shirt din sila, T-shirt. Tignan nyo, may mga sword din sila, Black Prince, yung mga sword. And then they got Evan the Mask. Yung mga nakikita natin sa movie. Ayan, They sell it here. This one is 140 pounds. And the sword is, some of them is 130. That one is 130. Look. Hala, may pistol pa, That one. And they got some wines and books here, I think. Yes, mga wines dito. Yan. And then we'll have a look the other side. Ito yung mga t-shirt. Oh, I quite like this one. Tsaka may paano sila, ginuo ko. It's the Gothic Fascinator. Dark side. Oh my god. Cute siya ha. Block. Guys, bagay ba? Para akong ano, Wicked Witch. Wicked Witch. Meron pa. Can you get the fan? Ay, what is it, honey? Ito po yung kanya pa ano, guys. Oh. Tapos meron pa isa. Saglit lang. Honey ka. Oh, yeah. I like the heart. God, it's 200 pounds. I like this one, guys. Look. That one. 200. 215. Yan, mga black diamond siya. Mga stone, I mean. Meron pa dito. Guys, tignan nyo yung mga ahas. O, ginoo ko, eh. Nakakatakot. Ito siya, parang real. Inay, ginoo ko. Naku, himatayin tayo nito. Ang haba niya. Ayan o. Gusto ko sana i-prank si Mr. Ganyan, pero baka ay, ginoo. Tapos meron silang mga Dracula. Ayan o. Tapos din mga bungo. Yan, may mga t-shirt, mugs, and sa ni other. With the t-shirt, 20 pounds. Yan, ang dami nilang ano. Wines and gin. And this is the vampire candles. Tignan nyo yung mga ano nila set up. You can vote this. One candle is 7 pounds. Isang candle. Vampire. Ayan siya, vampire. Then may pa rose silang ganito. Factor. Yan, I don't know what's this. Bagay ba, guys? So, ayun guys, galing na kami dyan sa Abby house. And then, we nip to the shop. What I show you. And then, I'll get one for Baba. Here, sweetie. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Giatay talaga tong batang to. Yun lang, 3 pounds na. But it's alright. He's been a good boy. We're heading back down now, guys, and they still got the what you call it, Christmas lights here. Look, there's still Christmas lights display in the street, which is really cool. And I don't know what's the time now. I think it's 4 o'clock. So we're heading back to the car park and head back to the hotel. That's it for today, I think. It's all little shops down here. And yes, uwi na tayo. Hi guys! We're back in the hotel and time check is 6:25 na ng gabi. And then, ang gagawin namin is pakainin lang namin si James. Kasi di ba siya naghapunan. We had a snack. Nag-coffee kami bago umuwi. Hindi ko na-film kasi it's quite busy. Yun nga, pakainin ko muna si James ng hapunan and then we're going out to the restaurant. Tapos, hindi kami kakain. Baka mag-iinom lang. Because this is our last night tonight. So, we're gonna have some drink, chill out. Then we, sweetie. He's the best. He's a really good boy. How many steps did you done today, sweetie? He had a lot of steps. See, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And please like if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Be good. Bye.